Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how you can download and install TFT Unlock tool with its drivers. So this is my file. I have already downloaded the file. You can check under the description below to get it. After extraction, you'll be getting something like this. Now install it. The password is TFT. Once you are done, you click on next. We are done with the installation. Let's run our program. TFT. Yeah. This program is auto update. You don't need to be checking for regular updates. Just click on yes to update the program. Now we launch it again. Your certificate has been installed successfully too. Click on login. Now this is our program. What you need to do now, you have to install the drivers. So with the drivers, you click on driver. Then you see a media file link here. Then you click on it. When you are done downloading the drivers, you need downloading the drivers, you need to install them, and after that you can connect your phone, then your phone will work. So this is where you can get the drivers. Let's check the app again. We have my Samsung, Huawei, Oppo. We have all the brands here. You can check it yourself.